Do you know what I've been thinking about lately? I think most people completely misunderstand what is happening in AI. Everybody is focused on chatbot right now. Which company is winning? Which model is smarter? And which benchmarks are higher? But honestly, I think all of this is surface level because the real shift is deeper. Intelligence is becoming infrastructure. Once intelligence becomes infrastructure, the whole world as we know it changes. The same way civilization depends on electricity, communication, transportation, this next era is going to heavily depend on intelligent systems. I don't think most people understand this yet. And believe me, this is going to transform our lives completely from the way we know it. Same as mobile phones did, same as the internet did, same as electricity did, same as every other technological advancement that have existed. This one is different, and it's going to completely revolutionize life on Earth. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what I mean. Let's talk about Gemma. Gemma is a family of models from Google DeepMind, and on the surface, this probably looks like just another AI release, another chatbot, another model, another tech headline, but no. I think open models like Google Gemma represent something much more bigger. They represent the beginning of open intelligence, meaning you can build any intelligence system using these models. They are open weight and they are free. So once you download it, it belongs to you.
A few years ago, participating in AI development at a serious level was almost impossible unless you were a massive corporation. You needed a massive compute, massive funding, and a massive research team.
Most of the world couldn't participate. But today, suddenly, someone with a laptop and just a mobile phone can run a powerful AI model locally. That's a massive shift forward. Using Gemma, we at Project Sovereign were able to build this wonderful AI agent called DeviceTerra. It runs entirely on your mobile phones, no internet, no subscription, and gives you every report about sales and income in your business. It's for small businesses in Africa that can afford a POS. Now everybody with a mobile phone have the same POS product that big supermarkets are using to sell their product. You can now access it for free. This is the power of distributed intelligence. And for the first time in history, intelligence is becoming accessible to everyone, not just to government, not just to big corporations, but to ordinary people.
And this is where Project Sovereign comes in. I don't think intelligence should belong to a handful of corporations. Every community should be able to preserve its language, train models that align with its cultures, solve its own problems, and build systems that align to its realities. Because intelligence isn't neutral. Every system carries assumptions, priority, incentive, and perspective.
Humanity is too diverse for one centralized intelligence system. This isn't about Africa, it's global. Dependency is global, and sovereignty matters everywhere. Honestly, some of the biggest innovation in AI are going to come from places the tech industry isn't paying attention to, like this beautiful island. Not because those places have great resources, but because they have learned to adapt. One very good example is one young engineer, one innovator from my place, happened to get an AI model to respond to questions through SMS. That is a great innovation in a place where we have low internet, or at times even no internet. So getting an AI model to answer questions through SMS is a very big innovation, because we are trying to adapt. That's why I keep telling people, build your own stack, local compute, open models, local knowledge, real applications, because this is another side to all of this too. If the world depends entirely on centralized intelligence, then the world eventually inherits centralized assumptions, same worldviews, same incentives, same priorities. And I honestly think diversities in intelligence matters. Cultural diversities, linguistic diversities, and local problem solving. But despite all of that, I still feel optimistic, because maybe this is the first time in history where intelligence becomes participatory. Maybe for the first time, the ability to build world-class intelligence is escaping the walls of elite institutions. So when I look at a model like Gemma, I don't see technology. I see the beginning of distributed intelligence, a world where more people can participate, build locally, share globally, own your own stack. Because intelligence belongs to humanity.